What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoetainment today. Coming at you again with another real review. Today we got these Acronym Prestos on deck. I was fortunate enough to get an alley-oop on this pair right here from my homie Jay Morrow. He hit me up out the blue, said he had a pair in my size that I wanted. Yeah, I already know I had to jump on it and take it, man. A lot of some people are really 50-50 on Prestos, man. Either you like them or you don't like them. I actually bought my first pair of Prestos in it was either around 2001, 2002. Our church used to take trips to Florida. Every year we used to go to like Disneyland and Orlando and wherever SeaWorld is at. We used to just like bounce around Florida through the summer or whatever, and I packed up a bunch of clothes one time, and I ain't had no shoes to match nothing that I packed. So we hopped off in Daytona, I believe. I went to the sneaker store and bought some Prestos. It was no tax weekend down there. They were like 40 bucks, man. It was all white and red accents. They didn't have the cages on them. They were cageless, and I was happy with them. We came back from Florida. Nobody at my high school had Prestos, man. Nobody was rocking with Prestos. Nobody knew nothing about Prestos. I put them Prestos on the hallways, and next thing you know, within a week or so, people were showing up with Prestos. People were showing up with Prestos, man. And that's what it's about, being innovative. You know, making people see things that they may not see. But that was just a quick little Presto story, man. I won't hold you up no more. If you notice a change in scenery, I decided to actually do this vid on my phone. I was checking out the camera, and the camera was excellent, man. So I was like, look, we're gonna try this on the celly telly and see what it looked like. While I get this box open, well, actually, zoom in on the label here, just in case, so y'all know they're really real. Bad boys came from Social Status. You know, Social Status again, man. Was looking up for me, man. It really is. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys out here. Over here trying to one-hand it, struggling. This is your first time in Atlanta, McFly, man. I welcome you. Hopefully you come back, check out the videos, man. Drop me a like. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. You know, comment, share it with all your friends, man. Subscribe, of course. And we're gonna get into it. I haven't actually bought a pair of Prestos in a while. The last pair of Prestos that I actually tried to buy was those Flyknit Olympic joints, the blue, red, and with the gold bottoms. Them things were flame. But I missed out on those, but that was the last pair that I actually tried to cop. So this is really my first pair of Prestos owning in quite some time. But these bad boys right here are dope, man. Dope, dope, dope. Let's get you all around look at the shoe here. Nice, nice. That bottom. Typical on the Prestos. This is actually my first pair of Acronym Prestos. There were a couple of the Vapor Maxes that I liked, but I didn't grab them for whatever reason. But as we get into it, around here you have that acronym print around your toe cap with your mesh upper stitched in Nike check. Acronym branding and that Volt tongue. I'm not sure why they make these tongues so big, man. Guys, these like the elastic laces? No, they're just the regular laces. But yeah, got that huge Volt tongue. I can't wait to do my own feet of these, man. You hear a lot of people saying that Adidas jack Nike for the Presto, and I could see some truth in that, but I don't think that Presto comfort can compete with Ultra Boost comfort. I don't see it happening, but we're gonna see when I put my foot in this thing. Got your black here, it's translucent, smoke gray cage, your acronym across the tongue, as you can see. Back cage here, Black midsole, all white outsole. Your little dots here. Thought they said something, but apparently they don't. Acronym here on the side, and they actually put some leather back here. Some leather out the blue. I didn't expect that at all. It's on both sides. You got your printed cage here on the back. It's like a button here for your pull tab. And you can pull these zippers down. I was really wondering about the functionality of this whole zip system. Like, that looks really strange to me. For all the naysayers and haters. Get this thing focus in on this right here. Size tag, drop in, taking the camera forever to focus. Nike and Acronym in there with your white insole. And that's really it, man. Pretty basic yet clean colorway. I actually tried to get the pink joints. I struck out on them. I didn't even try for these other two, but the homie offered them up, so I went ahead and bid on it. But I guess now, man, we're gonna get out here and get fitted up for this on foot, man. Also, let me know which one did y'all like the best. Did you like the pink pair of these or the black pair? I thought these were okay. I thought the pink pair was flame, and that other black pair, it was cool, but I felt like it was pretty boring. It was like outrageously basic. I like shoes with some flash and some pop and all that. Oh, I almost forgot. If you don't follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, today I wore the French blue 12s. One of my favorite 12s of all time, man. Wear your shoes, bro. If you ain't got no dirt or nothing up in there, you're doing something wrong. Wear your kicks, man. Solid pair of shoes, highly slept on. I had the original 04 release. Bought that bad boy out of Dick's Sporting Goods. Got the last pair. Didn't even know Dick's had J's. I was looking for cleats for football. Came up on these. Easy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I was saying, man, it's about the Prestos today. We're gonna get up into this on foot for ya.
All right, man. We out here getting that front poach action with the acronyms on. I will say that these are pretty comfortable, but not Adidas Presto. I mean, not Adidas Ultra Boost Adidas Presto. Not Adidas Ultra Boost comfortable by any means, but it's still a dope shoe, man. It's not trash. Comfort on it is pretty good. I will say that. I've definitely put my foot worst feeling pairs of shoes, man. But I guess when it comes to them Adidas, it really ain't no debate. About the electric slide on y'all in a minute. I'm just playing, I ain't doing that, man. I'm just trying to give y'all some different looks, man. Keeping my originality up, you know. I would recommend them. They do fit true to size. It's not tight on my foot or anything. I got a little bit of toe box space, so that's pretty good. I'm not dying or anything like that, so that's great. Guess I'll walk off a little bit real quick. So, yeah. All in all, man, a decent pair of shoes. If you rock with Prestos, any of them will work, but you get you a collab or something, it's never a bad thing, man. But until next time, it's your boy McFly. I'll holler at you.